Johannesburg, Johannesburg, in the heart of the CPT. What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Preza. That's good, dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press that notification bell so that every time I drop, you'll be able to see my vlogs. Anyways, basically what I've been doing today is we're gonna be going to South Africa. So, kind of set up a flyer before or South Africa or bus or so not how do you go to South Africa. You're on the right vlog. Anyways, guys, basically today we're gonna be going to South Africa. You know what I'm saying, for some business. You understand? So, you know, guys, I was planning to open a business. I was planning to run a restaurant, and I'm still working on it. So I have some other machines that I need to go and buy to SA. You understand? So yeah, go with me, guys, to SA. Fly with me to SA. With the minutes of flying, I think like 1 month or something. So yeah, let's get ready. So right now it's about like 6 a.m. past the 6 a.m. and check-in starts like in 30 minutes or 1 hour. I don't know, but around 7, if not mistaken. Because like it's flights are fair, you know, the LL my flights are, you know. So yeah, let me show you OOTD before that figure, and then I'll show you after that figure. So yeah, let's get it. So yeah, this is the OOTD. This is my shorts. Feel me? This is the shirt that I'm wearing. This is the t-shirt that I'm wearing. This is the socks, and this is the new shoe. It's called Adidas Campus. Feel me? New OOTD for the airport. So yeah, let's get it. So yeah, this is the OOTD. This is my shorts. Feel me? This is the shirt that I'm wearing. This is the t-shirt that I'm wearing. This is the socks, and this is the new shoe. It's called Adidas Campus. Feel me? New OOTD for the airport. So yeah, let's get it. Oh, you guys, now I'm going to. Time is gone now. I'm going to the gate, and then that's where my in-drive is. Feel me? So I'm going to get into the in-drive, and then boom, Swaya Baba. So to those who didn't know, this is like a gated community. It's Aspin. So my gated are who construct or who gazi again. So to our in-drive, it's a long process. But depends. Then we get to go. It's better than to go walk when I do the get. You feel me? So yeah, let's talk there. Anyway, this is the OOTD outfit of the day. I'm gonna show you the feet down there. Let's get it. For now, we are late. This is the car that we use to enter at our gate there. So motor didn't get around, and then we use our card to access this entrance. So if you don't have this, I will pin the this gate here. Up. So yeah, let's go. So yeah, guys, that's up at airport, and then yeah, this is the driver went in. So I requested $7 and then the driver was crying. That's why directory Maria sent up by. It was $10. So yeah, anyways, this is the OOTD outfit of the day. So yeah, this is the OOTD outfit of the day. This is my new sneakers, you know, and this is my new shorts. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're out here at the airport. Yeah, let's get it. So guys, now I'm going to check in. As you can see, gada ngakamira pa do check in ashamsika namudo do check in kwaona big here ngati maya azanda big pachura pasvese you are shocked One minute tango fly asina bag. Yes, I'm going about the most boring process yekusearch kwanene film. So I'm going to buy it on the pirasi. Oh. Okay. Yeah, then we don't get my criminal woman. We passed the first gate. So that my gates are going to see. Don't want to stage corner. So now we're going about the last one, you know. Yo, I teach which one get perfect life. Anyways, let's go. Oh, thank you. Yes. Well, I'm my e-passport. Scanner take them no. Almost can a passport yako voyage. My doors and buffer like this. See, doors behind me. And my boot and buffer. You can see. So when you get a passport yako voyage scanner like scanner stupid, and then you know, no vehicle for away. It's easier. I don't need e-passport. My passport yako dara na sekunde kagua. Chai my brother. Sorry swap. But anyways, let's go see Smokerasi. Let's go. There's a young restaurant there and I finna eat some food. Show me. And there's a lot of shops here in the airport, if you didn't know. So let me just get some food in here. And then after getting some food, I'll just come and chow somewhere there and then we'll continue. So guys, I'm sitting here at a restaurant and I ordered some food. What did I order? Hot dog and chips. Feel me? This is the only affordable restaurant here in the airport. It's called Corner Cafe. Corner Cafe. Let me show you the restaurant. This is the name of the restaurant. Then yeah, this is my passport and this is, you know, some things if you order some coffee and stuff. But this is only affordable restaurant, but it's expensive though. What is saying $7, drink $2, drink 50 cents $2, and then the hot dog $7. You feel me? I get my fries. So yeah, let's wait for the food. And this is OOTD. This is the shoe nyana baba. You feel me? This is the shoe. You understand? So yeah, this is the food. You feel me? So I guess I'm done eating now, and I wanna go to this massage. And I'm going there. That is go massage you because we can issue some content. And yeah, guys, please go and check it out. That massage is called Beauty Therapy. Airport. So yeah, let's go there and see what we can do. Tango. So I guess we make a flight, fast jet. Let's go. Where we are going? No, I'm doing my brand shops. We never polo. Yeah, and the duty free machine. Let's go to the massage and see what's popping. Tango.
Hey guys, welcome to Body Therapy. Come, let me show you. This is our therapist, Ashley. These are the products that we sell.
Okay.
The full body massage is in here. As you can see, the chairs. We also have sparkling water for you guys. We offer champagne, snacks, and tea if you want.
Okay guys, OOTD outfit of the day. So today we're wearing some new Adidas campus nyana, feel me? And some 60 socks, feel me? And then we're wearing some Idenimi. But yeah, some shorts. I mean, shorts. And then we got like Cortez sling bag. New Balance tees, my Apple Watch. I'm saying, let's go.
I see your apple. Day 15, I said. Kumsora. Zimbabwe. Rice Africa.
Zimbabwe.
Ah.
I'm chocolate on your way. You put me in Zimbabwe, guys. Yo, about you take a Zakuda, there's my Seko Masai. What's going on? Zimbabwe, you see us. Zimbabwe, you see us. Yes, I'm on a Zaga, you feel me? And then I'll have to get out because we have the same very good time. So just now na mirror uta check in. Tatopa my boarding gates. Saka tatopa mirror uta check in tara. Kufika sasa. Ayo ndo my boarding gates.
We are now inviting all the passengers sitting from row number 25 to 33.
Stay tuned. So guys, napinda. I'm looking for my seat. So let's go. So guys, napinda man. As you can see, I'm gonna pick my passport now. South Africa, and then let her check out his stuff. Everything's done. Now if someone will up and just be calling, let me highlight you. This time I went a big, when I big, I'm gonna and the big, then I'm going to labor, call it a big fitting star. But yeah, this fire. Let's touch down. Arata. Feel me? So let's go. So guys, ndasvika pandopikwa nemufesi wangu pane pagara vanhu ndiro vachino arrivals. As you can see, mabenches ari uko kwaye ndo panopikirwa vanhu panapa. So yeah, ndasvika. Baba tiri babasa. My Uber driver. Guys, panapa ndo panopikirwa vanhu panapa. Pa Arata. Sasa ndo dhorobha nevanhu uko. So guys, unotonzwa kuti mweya wasiyana unofema wechifema munomu zvinozwa kuti kukufema munomu uri kufema mweya werufu zamaita sei nebosi uri dzake uri kubuda ndokufirita Tesla ndebhatiri here ndebhatiri asi kuiniswa vanhu yowe I see Tesla. I mean, Mama Chinese car. Tesla. Yes. Yeah, Mama. Mama Chinese. Who's on Magetz? I'm putting this off you. Get my kids. So guys, we going. My team now is so cool. Muno mo warta bo muno rasisa muno vigo dar. Tu kana or board drive mo ya. So we pani una azu na kuna taxi ringi pana bo. E makombi. Ai pana nakoma na makombi fika pana. Yeah, by the way, text them. I will ask on a zebra crossing. Samana, Rambo parking mana. Pazimo na kwa mira magadi wa chitora mali. No kwa tere mali. Yapinda. Kirambo mezo. And please remove card. Aka yatora mali. Thank you. Yatora? Yeah, yatora. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, yabumere. Don't get bumani tape card andika. Wasn't that tape card? I did the transaction approved. But I'm not sure kuti yanga adibvumirere. So yari uchabada na 1242. Tasoti ngoe babo. Yuri uchabada na 1242. Oya mana. Takubaya manje. Apiko nemkomana. Kasi rarambera mshode pane ningiri nika pawe. Amshode pane kubhadhara. Because we not sure mari yabhadhara yano yase. Because I please remove card. Plus I thank you. Plus I thank you. Yanga chitenda chi. Pamwe tibai what is it? I'm not sure. So yeah mana. Takapenda chiseko tunopera sei. Let's get it. G Summit datsai kwakazara ningiri. G Summit ichi. The summit zvacho. Cruise. Mandela TIP. Ninge data Africa. Hai wabutswa nembonitse chama chiro to. Toenda unita affidavit ndopinda kani paboda pai. Tinotopinda shamukati pfe kamwenda ndokandokudako. Ndembe ndoko. So guys, takubuda mu-airport. Yo, this airport is so big. So todaro ndakangana kuradze but yeah. Airport yemuno parking is room. So big so todaro like so todaro. So this road is supposed to Kempton Park in Pretoria. And then Konos go Pretoria. And then this one is goes to Boksburg. Do you Boksburg? Do you? This one goes to Boksburg. N1. And then this one is goes to Kempton in Pretoria. Let's go. So, oh yo guys, your boy. Now that grow manual. Guys, you know gonna do SM no need motor. I will be driving my friend's car, you feel me? So, the actual driver is so that put a motor again. And it's a manual car. I'm not even using map. Because I know this place to that, you feel me? So I'm going to the mall, but I'm not around though. But I'm just going to get my drive and us this area. So as I told you, but I'm going to check for I'm going to check. I came here to buy some equipment for my restaurant. So let's go to the mall and check if I can get the equipment. You feel me? Yo, guys, so yeah, let's go together, guys. I'm out here in Boksburg, Northern Road, here in South Africa. So yeah, let's go. Ande, famba. Takaenda. This is a diesel car. Ande 5. Yakatsikwa zvaye neka boots ka expensive shoe. Takaenda. Let's go. Okay. And it's on. So guys, I arrived at East Point. Let's go and enter inside. So guys, I've been more, but the shop that I'm looking for is closed. So yeah, we don't have an option. I have no option. Now I have to go back. Yes, so man, do Boba's come the wrong. My sharks. I'm gonna put him on the screen there. As you can see, now I'm going to pass over Congo. Over Jebin, I mean, whatever. Yeah, what number 2?
Sniper one.
Oh, I'm catching it. I'm going to minerals. I'm going to kill. I'm going to copper. I'm going to put. So guys, I don't know if I'm going to put. Feel me? So I'm buy man.
Tatiri bo tisinga.
Anangomana rishandisika ngomana atoziyana nemadhara. Oh yo airport iri padenga vari padhuze airport. Mune panolendera ndega. Tanga kona landing. Padenga yo. So you start. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to keep on giving you more updates. Ndege ndolenda yo. Isike sito rapa.
Izume muntu yana mamaja.
Irapa pa. Wenda kuiport. Out. Kandege ako kunolenda apa. Kachit. Kaavita. Kipanchuka. So you guys stay tuned. Let's get it.
Anything else?
Ni cold drink inside.
Tripa Pedros. Tripa
Nika Sprite izoba
Nando's. Nando's.
Sprite.
Not rand. So mfeso wangu order chikafu.
Yeah.
Mfeso wangu order chikafu chake.
Okay, tangine 90 rand sharp.
Mfeso wangu order chikafu. Ini ndo da Pedros. I said I'm not gonna eat Nando's. Nando's is stay in Zimbabwe, my brother. Nando's and KFC, we have it in Zimbabwe. We don't have McDonald's. Chicken Licken, we have it. Is this Chicken Licken?
Yeah.
We have it also. Steers, we have it also. Yo, why is it this drive is so sharp? So guys, now we're collecting the food. No for my tape.
Hey,
Oh.
Yebo, mix it.
So guys, cut. Tape. So guys, stay tuned. Oh yo, so guys, we eat another shop. Feza kurama gunans. Ma all balloons.
Stand master.
Oh yo. Samata pane shop na bopina mfesa wangu ifano chiko. Ken bopina bonondo wana chi. Yakanzi furniture liquid warehouse. Liquidation warehouse. Yeah. Let's go and check some stock. The rest of the stuff that we check them. Let's go. So you can see 1,000 rand table, you know. My chairs and stuff. Yo, muno murudu. This restaurant I think is fancy. Because look at one chair. Almost 1,888 rand. Thousands and thousands. Yeah, muno is fancy, but the things are expensive. Look at my chairs and stuff. Everything that I want here. The things they're like a bit pricey. But this is something like that I want. Feel me? To my table is really cute like this. Or the other stuff in Jakarta, right? Let's check there. Yo, look at the gaming chair. Look at the gaming chair. I really love this chair. It's expensive, but it's affordable though. But I really like it. Okay. 10,000 couch. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. It's not easy being a boss. 19,000. Yes. Being a boss is not easy, nyana. It's not easy, rara. Let's check this one. I imagine it's on Black Friday, but you think it's money. 8,000 rara. 7 or 8. I have a Black Friday. Table only. Because of my chair was money. Yes. When I bench, guys, it was almost 1,000 rand. Over 50. $50. Yeah, this is crazy. This is insane for you. So guys, first one is on tour, and now we're going to macro. I'm going to check out macro and then check out my shops. I'm going to check out the machine that I want to do me. So let's go. Let's go together. No, not machine at all. Check out my one.
Mukushanda mwari pindirai mukufamba mwari pindirai imo mukutamba ndine mazano obari muchipfuwa kushanda tinoshanda asi azvikwani shuwa kutsvaga tinotsvaga asi azvikwani pindai mumwoyo pindai muchipfuwa tese tiri kuvavarira tiri kushingirira mwari ndiri kuzama ndiri kubatanza ndiri mutadzi dzimwe nguva ndombokanganisa mwari shungu dzangu nebudo yangu dai matisanganisa ndomboshinga dzimwe nguva ndombopingwa ndine mazano obari muchipfuwa dai zvaibvira yachikwana nguva kuzama ndiri kuzama asi yareba nguva
so guys akapinda mushop notengesa masina ndoda masina andiri kuda achona tombokombera maprices and see kuti type yandiri kuda chine ring inside here so the fridges and different stuff nezvinhu zvakasiyana siyana imomo izvozvo and the TVs and stuff. Feel me? How much this one? 10,000. 10,000. How many inches? I don't know. Maybe 55. So yeah, let's check how far. How much this one? 20,000. So let's go check it. What's happening? So guys, and panap. Panducha samasina. Panapa my cheap fryers nini. And sana wana things and ruguda muno. Let's keep on checking and see what's popping. So guys, masina nashida ndamashaya and I need to order online, so ndamunocheka kunenge this other shop that I recommend, and then kana rakashaya kokwesh there's no option than to order online. Feel me? Saka stay tuned, I'm gonna be giving you some updates. Feel me? Rakashaya. So guys, tashika pa another store inotengesa masimu. And there's a Leroy Merlin, one of the biggest warehouses. I don't find another one. Saga, getting more to catch me. Wow, like this is like nice to that. This is really nice to that. Look at this. Wow, this is nice. So guys, unfortunately they said they don't sell my appliances in the shop. They said they only sell Masina online only. Feel me? They only sell online my electrical appliances. They only sell them online only. Feel me? So now I'm just loitering around looking for some stuff. Feel me? Because there's like tiles, is everything, the button, everything. I mean like everything. There's literally everything inside here. So yeah, man. They don't have electric appliances. Now the option of go order online. Anyways, let's see what's happening. In the Buddha, check it. Wow, look at this design, guys. Look at this design. Wow, so there's like designs that you can check. Honestly, my inspo is from. Look at this one. It can be a kitchen. Look at this one also. Inspo for a kitchen. It's out here in this store, right here in this store. In inspo. And ovens, what, it can be your kitchen, and this one, it can be your kitchen as well. There's like cute inspos here. Wow, this is nice. This is pretty, I wanna like. But anyways, let's buy. So there's look at this. This is like dope, I wanna like. This is dope. Okay. Look at this. For restaurant, it's fire. For restaurant, it's fire. This one, I want like. It's fire to that. It's fire to that, like fire to that. Okay.
Yeah, I'm a Coke, Fanta, and Sprite.
Coca-Cola, Fanta and Sprite.
Yeah, boo.
Get some ice. What is some ice?
Ice some cup, one is some
Wednesday, ice cream, which is 4 burgers.
Yes.
And
So I guess we're ordering some food.
I'm a party ice cream.
Yeah, boo.
Coca-Cola, Fanta and Sprite.
Yes, Moana.
Helele, ne?
Shapira,
This
yes.
also.
This
It's
also.
256 rand, 50 cents, Baba.
This also, church.
This also. Camera is first. So I'm gonna think this week Wednesday. And yeah. Now I'm gonna cool it down. Chimboji and then yeah. Catch you later. Week Wednesday. Let's see what is good for us. This is cheese. It looks fresh though.
tese tiri kuvavarira tiri kushingirira mwari tanza ndiri mutazi zimwe nguva ndombokanganisa mwari shungu dzangu nebuduro yangu nematisanganisa ndomboshinga zimwe nguva ndombopingwa ndine mazano bobo ari muchipfuva daizvaibvira yachikwana nguva kuzama ndiri kuzama asi yareba nguva mwari pindirai mukubata umu mwari pindirai mukushanda umu mwari pindirai mukufamba umu mwari pindirai imo mukutamba umu ndine mazano bobo ari muchipfuva kushanda tinoshanda asi hazvikwani shuwa kutsvaga tinotsvaga asi hazvikwani pindai mumoyo
So guys, finally we managed to get a supplier of my machines after a long struggle. So we're just washing our ride. You know, we're just washing our ride. Gomana is giraviro. And last time I was a machine last time. I want to see the old one. And this time we got this one, Baba. We're upgrading. The next time D4D. You feel me? So yeah, let's go. What is that? Some station will show you when we are on our way to go there. So guys, now talking about Joburg. I don't know if it's gonna lead us to Joburg. Joburg, I don't like it, but I think I'm some Joburg. Right now, you road, you cross a motor, you're on the Castle Road. You don't see when the vision. What's the name of this road? Bruh, you've been living here for almost 10 years, bruh, but you don't know this road. This Castle Road and the Kangan, I know not Castle. This one is going to Boxbeck East, Tapua Way. And this one is going to Danswat in Binoni. Chirukusiyaga. And Kangan. So man, let's go together. I'm gonna give you updates. We don't know how you're gonna do it, but I'm gonna give you updates. Yeah, no more one designated driver. But yeah, let's go. You see South and nice roads. Where's the Muslim port? So you guys are now to Boxbeck East. Yeah. And we are counting the money. Feel me? Yo, Magaraga Bender. Yes. Nana Magaraga Bender. So I guess stay tuned. We'll see you on Tashika. Yo, he's checking. We'll see you Kana. So you guys, Madi, I'm out here. As you can see, I found the machines. Final after the long struggle. Then if you want the machines, you can come with this shop. I'm gonna put the number on the screen. Final after long struggle. We've been looking for this thing for about 3 days now, and then yeah, we found it here. So we're gonna purchase it. Oh, I do YouTube, by the way.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So my people, they're going to buy more here. You see. So you guys, if you want all your kitchenware, I don't know other stuff. This one is for peanut butter. What is this for?
Yeah. This is a poultry splitter.
Okay.
Poultry splitter. Any baking equipment they want, they can see you. Then you can come and see.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. I'm gonna put the website on the screen there also. So guys, this is an ice cream maker. You see, ice cream, and that's a lot, man. This one is for ice creams as well. Everything for kitchen, anything that you want for kitchen, you will find it here. You feel me? So talk to me next. I'm gonna plug you. So yeah, final after long struggle, we finally found what we're looking for. One gang. So guys, we got the machine. As you can see, there's the back. Yo, this guy got nice service. So now we live in the warehouse. And we're going. Let's go. You know him, Tema? Mubleki. Peace out. Welcome to Johannesburg. Dome Johannesburg. In the heart of the CPT. Yes. This is the heart. You don't want to flat beside the road. Like this. I think the view is mad.
Don't worry, my driver, I'm disappointed. Don't worry. So I can do my phone. I just have another Maria drink.
South Town.
Mamba Mari. I want to get to Mari. Get him phone here.
Guys, look at this mall. This is so beautiful, Zotodaro. Look at these buildings. Yes. So guys, this mall to Rasa Zotodaro, like I stumbled those who found us, so we just asking, just gonna ask random people. But where is Mr. Price? You guys look. How am I even gonna go there? Let's ask there. Let's go and ask there. I think he's asking. I'm being lost here. So guys, it's late in the night now, around past 7. So you can see, and we're still out here in the city of Joburg. I'm not talking Sads, I'm not talking Pedro's. Feel me? Oh yeah, man. Johnny. Don't want me Johnny much anymore. Oh yeah, man. So I just bought Pedro's. I really miss this thing, you know what I'm saying? And let me check it out. So guys, this is my favorite. Why is Mama sure I want that? Okay, thank you. This is my favorite meal here in just Pedro's. That's the only thing that I'm and the rest of them know me. Show them. The leg. Yeah. And then what about my sauces? Service is poor. The banana liver also. Service is poor. I don't know about money again. My service, I don't know my service. I don't even know why I'm arriving at my sauces are okay. But imagine Baba Shana Muno and they are so pressed with that. And they know error bands.
They know the driver.
So man, I think we're gonna end the vlog here. I beg you, thank you for watching the vlog to the end. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. The machine that we've been looking for, Tachwana. Right now we are in Jozi. It's not safe. As you can see in the streets of Jozi. And yeah, no so don't go down. As you can see in the streets of Jozi. And the time now is 8 o'clock. As you can see. So guys, thank you for watching the vlog today. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. More content to come. We're gonna give you more updates about the rest of the stuff, and then we're gonna give you more updates about Zimbabwean content, even composition in phones, if you wanna be able to do it. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Let's get it.